Welcome back to our Canva tutorial series. In today's video, we'll be exploring some advanced techniques to take your designs to the next level. First up, let's create a flickering neon text animation. To do this, head to the Work menu and add a text element to your design. You can create multiple pages and change the text to create a full animation. Next, duplicate the page and edit the text as desired. Then go to the front page, select the text, and head to the Effects panel. Apply the Hollow effect, followed by the Neon effect. You'll notice a subtle glow added to the text. To add a flickering effect, go to the Animate panel and scroll down to the Flicker option. This will add a dynamic, animated effect to your text. Moving on, let's explore how to change the color of elements in your design. Select the element you want to modify and head to the Edit panel. Scroll down to the Color option, where you'll find a range of colors to choose from. Select the color you want to change and adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness to your liking. If you want to change the color of a specific element within an image without affecting the background, you can use the Magic Grab tool in the Magic Studio. This will allow you to grab the image and isolate the element you want to modify. In my case, I want to change the color of the man in the suit. Once I've grabbed the image using Magic Grab, I can go to the Edit menu and simply change the color. This will not affect the background, allowing me to make targeted changes to the design. Next, let's learn how to change the background color of an image without affecting the foreground. Select the image and head to the Edit panel. Choose the background option and adjust the color as desired. Now, let's cover how to create a Polaroid effect in Canva. To do this, select the image you want to use and head to the Elements panel. Select the Polaroid Frame option and choose a frame that suits your design. Add the frame to your Work panel and duplicate the image. Remove the background of the duplicated image and adjust the size of the Polaroid frame as needed. Next, select the image with the removed background and crop it to fit the Polaroid frame. Adjust the position of the image to match the frame. Then select the background of the original image and change its color by reducing the saturation. You'll see a beautiful Polaroid effect created without affecting the foreground color. Finally, let's explore how to create an outline or glow effect around textile images. Select the image, and if it's not transparent, remove the background of that image. Then go to the Edit option and select the Shadow option. From here, you can select the Outline option and change the color, size, and intensity of the outline to your liking. You can also select the Glow effect from here and adjust the size, intensity, color, and blur amount according to your own choice. This will add a beautiful glow effect to your image, similar to what you see on thumbnails. That's it for today's tutorial. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful in taking your Canva designs to the next level. Don't forget to check out part 1 of our Canva tutorial series and stay tuned for more tutorials and tips in the future.